Hey everyone, it's me, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, bringing you guys a how-to type of video. And this video is definitely how to take your curls from this to extra curly and defined and a little bit more manageable to look at. So, without further ado, let's get started. So, I literally just took my hair out of my bonnet. And the first thing you want to do is rejuice it. So sometimes I am opposed to using water, but unfortunately water is one of the things that keeps everything active and keep everything, you know, percolating. So I'll take my spray bottle. And as you notice, like, I don't have a comb or a brush. Sometimes I use a dimming brush or a rubber cushion brush. Most people know the mess. Sometimes I use that, but most of the times I just use my fingers the same way I would do my real hair. So, like so, I would just work that water through there, through the ends, everything, definitely making sure that it is all saturated, not dripping wet, but where it's no longer stiff. So we just do that all over. So as you can tell, there's a big difference from wet to dry. So we're gonna, the same thing that we just did on this side, we're gonna do on this side. Okay, now that we got everything a little damp, not extra wet, but we got it damp, we're gonna take our Just For Me hair milk. This stuff is, like, believe it or not, it's actually a kid's product, but this stuff works wonders on curly hair. So this is definitely a must-have. And you can pick this up at your local beauty supply or even Amazon, my favorite place. And all you're gonna do is spray it into the hair. The purpose of it, because I know you guys are like, okay, why am I doing that? The purpose of it is to keep the hair soft. We got the hair wet with the water, but now we actually have to make sure that it stays soft. So okay, so now that we have our hair dampened, our leave-in conditioner is in. So now we're gonna take another product, which is the Aunt Jackie's Curl La La. And this product is not new. It's actually, I would say it's similar to the, Miss Jessie products. She's just a different family member. That's all I'm gonna say. But no, the Aunt Jackie products are really, really good. You can actually put this in, like, your actual real natural hair. But I tested this out because it said it is a curl definer. And I know a few people that actually put this in their real hair to make sure that their own curls pop. Well, I wanted to do the same thing for my wig. So I decided to take a little bit of this. And this is the travel size. This is not even a full size. This is just the travel size. And so you're going to take that much of the product, rub it in, and just rub it into the actual hair itself and scrunch it. Don't forget to scrunch it. Scrunching is our friend right now. That's literally it. Now after this, all you do now is just let it air dry, and it will literally fluff out and be its own pretty curls. So definitely when this dry, I'll definitely make sure you guys see what it looks like. It probably won't be a video, but it would definitely be in picture form. But I definitely will make sure that you guys see how fluffy this hair can get with just using those 3 products. So if this video was informative and to you guys like it, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Also, make sure you hit the bell at the top to be notified when I, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, drops another video. And until we meet again in our next how-to video, bye.